Okay, on the record, in the matter of the people of the city of Lansing versus John View, file number is 23-016050 OD. Appearance for the record.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Amanda O'Boyle on behalf of the City of Lansing.
Assistant Public Defender John Lee on behalf of John View.
Okay, how are you, Mr. View?
I'm doing good.
Okay, today's the date and the time that's scheduled for a hearing on probation violation that you were arraigned on back on April 1st. You requested court-appointed counsel and was not appointed, reapplied. Has your office been appointed to represent him?
I don't see as to where our appearance in the meetings have been sent out. I did resubmit his application, and I do see that it is currently under consideration. I leave it to Your Honor's discretion. I wish to proceed.
You do have another application, it's under review?
It is, yes.
Okay, so, well, he has the right to be represented by an attorney, he's made a request. And so the ball's in your office's court right now until we get a determination as to whether or not he is in fact eligible. He did have representation from your office in the underlying incident, so I don't know if there was just some substantial change in his financial situation since looks like June of last year. So I'll reset this so that you can get the
We should have something within the week.
okay, sounds good.
April 22nd at 1:15.
April 22nd at 1:15. Have any questions, Mr. View? Okay, you can have a seat and get your notice to appear.
Thank you, Your Honor.
No problem. Okay, on the record in the matter of the people of the city of Lansing versus Shawan Calvin, file number 23-03121 FY.
Assistant Public Defender John Lee appearing on behalf of Shawan Marquis Calvin, filling in for Jacob Robb.
This is a city probation violation, isn't it? I mean, a state probation violation is FY5.
Brandon, just get up.
Has to be reset because we don't have a prosecutor. It's not a city matter, this is a state case. Well, you said he's not having a hearing, correct?
Not having.
Okay, he wants to plead to the violations.
Yes.
Okay, we won't reset it. Somebody email Brandon and tell him.
Yeah, Brandon, yeah, that's it.
So he knows to be careful with the rest of it. Okay, let's see. If I can find the violation. Okay, looks like you were arraigned by Judge Buchanan on April 6th for the violation. Let's see, it says you failed to schedule orders appointment with probation following your sentence. You understand your right to have a contested hearing on that? And how do you want to proceed? Do you want to have the hearing? You want the hearing, or do you want to plead guilty to the violation? Raise your right hand. Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you're going to give is the truth and the whole truth under the penalty of perjury? You can put your hand down. Anybody threatening you to get you to plead guilty to the violation?
No,
Any promises being made to you if you plead guilty?
no.
As to the violation that you failed to report to probation, to go over your orders of probation, how do you plead?
Guilty, ma'am.
Factual basis, please.
Thank you, Your Honor. Mr. Calvin, did you enter a guilty plea in case number 23-03121?
Yes, sir.
Okay, and that was in, and then you were sentenced on that case in January of this year, 2024, correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay, and as a result of that sentence, you were ordered to a period of probation, correct?
Yes, sir.
And the order stipulated that you should report to the probation department and get your schedule and your orders, correct?
Yes, sir.
And did you report and get your schedule and orders?
Um,
Thank you. No further questions.
First, satisfied with the factual basis, I'll accept your plea. I find it to be truly voluntarily and intelligently made. The recommendation is to continue the probation imposed sentence of 7 days in Ingham County Jail, suspend that upon successful completion of a term of probation, which he was previously ordered to do 12 months probation. It says the defendant has not reported to the court since he was sentenced. They sent a letter to the defendant to try to contact him via phone on April 9, 2024. The defendant was remanded on bench warrant. Are you going to address the court, Mr.
Your Honor, Mr. Calvin has reported that it was around the same time that he was supposed to get his orders and start engaging with probation, that he had changed addresses, reports that he lost track of his obligation, and has learned from his time that he has spent here in the Ingham County Jail, the seriousness of the matter was always on the back of his mind. And he wants to start probation. He wants to show the court that he's serious about it and intends to complete it successfully.
Man, I apologize, man. That 3227 Ronald Street, that is not my address. I stay at 1111 Ronald Street.
When did
So
you move
if
there?
You guys was sending mail
Who's
there.
you guys?
If any mail was sent
I'm
there,
not a guy.
I'm sorry, I apologize. If any mail was sent there, to the court.
When
I
did
wasn't
you
aware.
change your address?
I changed my address a month ago.
A month ago?
Yes.
Okay. I sent you to probation in November.
Yeah.
You were supposed to follow up in November with probation orders, and you gave me an updated number, which is the same number you have now. And that was the number that they used to try to contact you.
Oh, that's number. What number was it, man?
730-7517.
That's not my number.
Well, you gave that number to Judge Buchanan last week. She asked you for your address and your phone number. That's the number you gave her, and you gave her the 1111 Leonard Street. It's still same number that you gave us. That's the same number you gave us even at your arraignment in October 2023. It's not our job to figure out how many times you're going to change your phone number or address. We don't got to babysit you. You're an adult. Mr. Lee, I'm sentencing you to 12 months probation. You think you're going to forget it when you leave here?
No.
I don't think you forgot that you were on probation or sentenced to probation. I don't think you forgot about it. If you think that I think that you forgot about it, you probably should go play the lottery today, because I mean, I don't believe that. What's your phone number?
517-505-2224.
2224.
Yes.
What's your address?
1111 Leonard Street.
Who else lives at that address?
It's just me, man.
Okay, let me go ahead and continue your probation at this time. I think you've at least been in custody since the 5th or the 6th, because I had to remand you to get you here. How did you get picked up? To know that you had a warrant.
I got a report over, man. They ran my name.
Do you have any other matters pending? Got pulled over for just a random traffic stop?
You know, I was walking along the exit.
Oh, you were walking, you got stopped.
Yes.
Where are you working?
I work for 2 men in the truck, man.
Order that you re-engage with probation so that you can go over the orders of probation. You're going to do 12 months of probation. Were originally slated to end your probation January 2025, but because you haven't started, you won't be, it'll be 12 months from the date that you signed the orders. Otherwise, you'll serve the full time in custody of the Ingham County Jail, okay? Do you have any questions?
Okay, when I get released, man, I got 24 hours to.
You need to report in 48 hours to
40,
probation,
okay.
in person. Your orders have already been drafted. They'll probably just have to make a slight update to the date, and then you'll sign that, and then you can begin your probation like you were supposed to. And then if there's a change in your contact information or your address, it's your responsibility to provide that to the court, okay?
That's mine.
Do you have any questions? Any additional matters for the record, council?
Nothing further, Your Honor.
Thank you.